welcome back to my daily uploads. Many people have been asking me how to lose weight, what to take to lose weight. I have several videos about losing weight, but still someone may find it difficult maybe to purchase those same ingredients. But today I'm back with another amazing lose weight video, and probably this will help you flush out all the toxins that you don't need in your body, and also it will help you detoxify and remove all the impurities that your body doesn't need at all. So taking this mixture that we are going to be doing on a regular basis, it will help you burn more fat and also help you be fuller for a certain period of time so that you don't get hungry. If you're this kind of person who loves eating food all the time, it is going to help you limit your appetite. Yes, but in a natural way. So these ingredients, these mixtures that we are going to add into this drink will probably help you lose weight. So welcome to my channel. Our first ingredient, we are going to be using cinnamon. Cinnamon will help us lose fat and reduction in waist circumference. Cinnamon also has beneficial compounds that will also help us with various health benefits, including aiding weight loss, improving heart health, and also reducing inflammation and blood sugar levels. So there are very many types of cinnamon that you can use. Our second ingredient, we are going to be using turmeric. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is also greatly associated with obesity or excessive fat deposition in the body. So turmeric will also help us reduce inflammation and associated oxidative stress, and thus be useful in losing weight. So adding it to the juice or the mixture that we are going to be making today, we are not doing any mistake. So turmeric is mostly used in powdered form. Yeah, you can also use it in a raw format, but people actually don't normally use it in, it is rare. Yeah, so they always use powdered turmeric. So it is going to help us in losing weight too, because it contains some nutrients, potassium, omega-3 fatty acids, and more proteins. Yep. So our third remedy, or our third ingredient, we are going to be adding in our ginger. Ginger is also used in both forms. It can be powdered as well as raw. Ginger is used to add flavor to both sweets and as well as you can use it in your dishes, like when you're cooking your soup. Yeah, but now we are going to be using it for this mixture. So ginger roots contain different compounds like palmitic, capric, and acids. Ginger contains compound called gingerose and shingles. These compounds stimulate several biological activities in your body, which helps in the process of weight loss. The antioxidant properties of ginger help control free radicals that can counter inflammation in the body. Yes, so you can remove the top layer, or you can prepare it with everything. So for me, I prepare not removing anything on the ginger. Yes. So the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to pound our ginger in, yeah, because we don't have the powdered ginger, so we are going to use this. So the next step is to place our ginger into our saucepan and add in like 3 full cups of water. Let it boil for 10 minutes. So after boiling our ginger, yes, you can sieve out the ginger or you can leave it. Yeah, there are some people who enjoy chewing ginger roots anyway, like me, of course. So now the next step is we are going to add in 1 teaspoon of our turmeric powder. Then also we are going to be adding in 1 teaspoon of our cinnamon powder. Yes, so this mixture is really going to be helpful if you really want to cut off some weight, if you want to detox your body, if you want to remove, actually it is good as long as you have stomach conditions, this is the best drink that you can always make for yourself. Because okay, previous week you seen I've used these ingredients like in 5 videos, and they are having different benefits. Yeah, I always maybe add in like another one recipe or two, but you've seen last week I used most of these remedies. So this is how best these remedies are to your health and body. Yeah, so this is our drink. Feel free to take it. It is everyone's dream to have a beautiful, gorgeous, perfect body. So if you want to stay in shape, you'll have to go extra miles, take detoxifying drinks, do some workouts, yeah, do some jogging, run, sweat, do some cardios. Yes, so here on my channel I promote good health and a beautiful skin. So guys, thank you for watching. Until next time in my next video, please, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you love this video, please don't forget to give it a very big thumbs up. And hey, if there is anything that you want to leave, please don't forget to leave it under the comment section down below. Until next time in my new video, bye bye.